staying with us. The Trinamool Congress has hit out at the centre and the BJP alleging political vendetta as the CBI served a notice to party MP Abhishek Banerjee's wife asking her to join the investigation in the coal pilferage case. Here's how the story is playing out and then we debate.
Action outside TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee's residence as news broke of CBI teams at his doorstep.
ममता बनर्जी की भतीजे अभिषेक बनर्जी की परेशानी बढ़ गई आज दोपहर से। दोपहर 2 बजे अभिषेक बनर्जी की कोलकाता की घर में सीबीआई की एक बड़ी टीम आई और एक ठो समन देकर गया। उस समन अभिषेक बंदोपाध्याय की वाइफ की नाम पे है, जो कोयला घोटाला है उस बारे में बातचीत करना चाहता है सीबीआई।
As news trickled in and Republic picked up details of the CBI notice and summons, the TMC had responded while calling the notice to Abhishek's wife as political vendetta.
ये जो तस्वीरें आप देख रहे हैं अभिषेक बैनर्जी के घर के बाहर की देख रहे हैं, जहां आप देख सकते हैं सुरक्षा व्यवस्था कितनी कड़ी है। आज दोपहर 2 बजे सीबीआई की टीम यहां पर पहुंची और उन्होंने एक नोटिस जारी किया अभिषेक बैनर्जी की पत्नी के नाम से, जिसमें 3 बजे पूछताछ के लिए शामिल होने की बात लिखी हुई थी। हालांकि बताया जा रहा है कि जिस वक्त सीबीआई की टीम यहां पर पहुंची थी उनके घर पर, उस वक्त रुजिरा मौजूद नहीं थी, लिहाजा उनके जो परिवार के बाकी सदस्य मौजूद थे उनको नोटिस दे करके और जब रुजिरा वापस आए तो फिर सीबीआई ऑफिसर्स को कॉन्टैक्ट करने की बात कहकर सीबीआई के ऑफिसर्स थोड़ी देर में यहां से रवाना हो गए थे। लेकिन उसके बाद अभिषेक ने एक ट्वीट किया। अभिषेक बैनर्जी ने ट्वीट करके साफ साफ कहा है कि हम इससे डरने वाले नहीं हैं। उन्होंने इस बात की भी जानकारी दी कि आज दोपहर 2 बजे उनके आवास पर आकर के उनकी पत्नी को एक नोटिस दिया गया है, लेकिन उन्होंने इस कार्रवाई को बदले की कार्रवाई बताया अपने ट्वीट के द्वारा और कहा कि हम इससे, अगर हमें डराने की ये कोशिश है तो हम इससे डरने वाले बिल्कुल नहीं है।
महिलादेर सामने निये एसे मोकाबिला करे कारा कापुरुष बीजेपी कापुरुष তাই সিবিআই ইডিকে এইভাবে আজকে ইউজ করছে।
While the TMC is calling it vendetta, the BJP is distancing itself, saying law is taking course.
সবাই জানে, আম জনতা জেনে গেছে, কয়লা চোর, গরু চোর, ট্রিপল চোর, চাল চোর আম জনতা জেনে গেছে এবং সব কালীঘাটে আস্তে আস্তে সিবিআই কালীঘাটে যাবে এবং ধরবে। এটা নতুন কিছু নয়, এটা কোনো রাজনৈতিকভাবে কোনো উদ্দেশ্য নেই। ভোটের জন্য উনি বড় বড় কথা বলে ভোট এলেই আমাদের, ভোট এলে কি আছে, সব কিছু নারদা সারদা সব কিছুই তো হয়েছে, ভোটের সাথে কোনো সম্পর্ক নেই। তুমি চুরি করেছো ভাই, সেই জন্য চোরকে তো ধরতেই হবে।
The move has raised temperatures in the Great Bengal battle, raising stakes ahead of polling day. Bureau Report, Republic TV.
It's a straight face-off between the BJP and Trinamool Congress. Joining us are Aparajita Sarangi, national spokesperson and Lok Sabha parliamentarian of the BJP, continues to stay with us in debate. To Binay Singh, political analyst, joining us live from Delhi this evening. Om Prakash Mishra, spokesperson and a senior Trinamool Congress leader, along with Anirban Banerjee, political analyst from Kolkata. So it's a straight face-off between the BJP and Trinamool Congress. First, I think the question that Aparajita, the Trinamool Congress is asking tonight is if this is a clear case of political vendetta. You can debate that with Om Prakash Mishra.
A very good evening. I would certainly say that this is not a case of political vendetta. Just because the assembly elections are around the corner, we cannot link this particular issuance of notice to the assembly election, right? Law will take its course, as has been said by other BJP leaders. And if there is nothing wrong, what to worry? Why to worry? And if there is something wrong, then I think there is need to worry. And people who have actually committed errors must be careful. So the fact remains that this particular case has been going on. This is not a case which has been slapped today or yesterday. This case has been going on, and the case number we are all aware of. This is the Kolkata case number RC 0102020A0022 dated 27th November 2020. So I would just say that this case has been going on and we don't have much to say about it. CBI is a responsible institution. It will do its job. So if the person is not a culprit, he or she should not worry. That's it. Let the law take its course. Let's see what's happening.
Om Prakash Mishra.
Well, I would like to assure the BJP spokesperson that Trinamool Congress is not worked up, not worried, in fact, not even bothered about this so-called attempts to link Trinamool Congress into a scam which actually is the mastermind of the BJP. It's the BJP leaders who actually are on the run with regard to the coal cases. One of the most notorious persona involved in the coal scam has recently joined BJP. Ms. Sarangi possibly do not know about it. I would also like to point out that tomorrow will begin a process whereby Mr. Amit Shah would be forced to apologize because he has been summoned by a court of law. A court of law constituted for the purposes of trying cases related to MPs and MLA. And since he is a member of parliament, Mr. Amit Shah has to face the court tomorrow in Kolkata because he has made certain derogatory and defamatory statements against the Trinamool leader, Mr. Abhishek Bandyopadhyay, who is a two-time member of parliament. Thirdly, I would like to point out that we do know how CBI and ED have been working and functioning. And let us not forget Mr. Nirav Modi, a close bosom friend of Mr. Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of the country, and of course, Vijay Mallya. Both of them, they are very well, along with another 121 millionaires who have cheated the Indian bank and who have ruined the Indian economy and have fled under the very nose of the BJP leadership and the central government. So far as West Bengal is concerned, you can try all your luck, you can do whatsoever you want to do. We're not bothered, we're not worried. You please continue with your nefarious design. We'll fight you out legally, politically, and mind you, electorally as well.
Okay, Aparajita, I'll give you a chance to respond.
Yes, of course. Yes, certainly. See, the point is that a lot of scams have taken place in West Bengal under the regime of Trinamool Congress. We are all well aware of that.
In the country,
and whatever has happened is just the tip of the iceberg. And let me tell you, we are aware of 31st December 2020. The Trinamool Youth Congress General Secretary Vinay Mishra, we are all aware of the fact that he was indulging in cow smuggling and mining problems, mining scam. So I think and there was a lookout notice which had been issued to him. And as far as the wife of Abhishek Banerjee is concerned, this is not a new thing which has happened. In 2019, Mrs. Banerjee had been held at the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport for carrying gold without a declaration.
You are a member of parliament.
So these things have been happening, and these things are the order of the day in West Bengal.
Om Prakash Mishra's contesting. Yeah, what's your point, Mr. Mishra? What's your point?
Miss, very simple point is that the Airport Authority of India, Customs, Excise, it comes under central government. What the Mr. Modi's government has been doing if there are such cases. And the concerned spokesperson is a member of parliament. She should be mindful that this has been already challenged and the entire so-called case has been rejected completely. So therefore, before you raise such baseless type of allegation, you should rather think in terms of Mr. Yadurappa, think in terms of Mr. Reddy, think in terms of Mr. Nirav Modi, and think in terms of Mr. Amit Shah, who is going to face summon and who has to be present tomorrow in a Kolkata court related to MPs and MLAs. He has to end up apologizing and perhaps possibly paying a very hefty fine because of the defamatory remarks that he has made.
Look within yourself. This is the time TMC
I am
must
not
look within
agitated.
itself.
You do not know me.
Please don't get agitated.
You do not
No,
know.
there is no
You
need.
answered the
We are
question
discussing
related to
an
Nirav
issue,
Modi. You
and
answered
this
the
is
question
just
related
tip
to
of the
Vijay
iceberg.
Mallya. You answered the
This is
question
just the
related
tip
to
of the
Yadurappa.
iceberg.
You should answer
You
the
know
question
what's happening
related to
in
Reddy
Bengal?
brother. So if you come up
There
with
is tremendous
something
violence,
which is
there is
nonsense,
unrest, there is corruption, there are scams. All of us are aware of what's happening.
Possibly face
So
defamation.
CBI is a responsible institution.
You should be very
CBI
careful,
is doing a job.
You should be very
CBI
careful.
is pursuing
Your
a
Home
case.
Minister
Now this
and Chief
particular
Home Minister
case has been continuing for some
by the
time.
CBI, by
Let
the
us not
court,
link it with
right?
the election.
See,
That's it,
I'm
as
not
simple
even
as
thinking
that.
in the communal riots. I am not even bringing in the communal riot which the Home Minister presided over. I am not even bringing that. So be very mindful of what you are saying. We do know that excise comes under, customs comes under central government. If it has happened in 2019,
You need not get
what the central
agitated.
government has been doing,
My
the same
friend,
way,
don't get
same way
agitated.
that you
Please look
allowed
within
Nirav
yourself.
Modi to abscond,
This is the time.
same way
You can
that you
check
have
yourself.
allowed
This is the time when you can actually check yourself.
So therefore, madam, please be very strong on your facts. You should be respectful of the facts, and you should know that you are dealing with the Trinamool Congress very strong on the ground. We are ready to take you on. We are not afraid, and we will be able to ensure that you go simply nowhere here. in Bengal.
Every day your members are coming to the Bharatiya Janata Party, right? So I think by April, May, you'll be left alone.
You are
Mamta Didi and Abhishek Banerjee ji will be left
misinformed,
alone.
madam. You are misinformed.
Right. So please don't get into
In
this.
fact, the ground
and let me tell you,
ground is going away
let
from
me
the
tell you,
BJP.
there is a
BJP
line.
did make some gains, but it is
No, there
already
is a
in the,
statement
that is
I would
already
like to
yesterday.
quote.
That is yesterday, madam.
Just give me
I'm
30
talking of
seconds.
today.
Give me
you should
30
know what is
seconds.
happening.
Sir, give her 30
That
seconds,
the
sir.
people
Dinesh
complaining
Trivedi ji has
that
come
there are no
out.
people.
Shubhendu Adhikari and
in the crowd.
74 people came out. Banerjee ji is out. All the potential
Perhaps you
leaders
do
are
not
out
know
of
Shubhendu
TMC.
Adhikari is
What are
not
you
drawing any
saying?
crowd.
What are you saying?
JP Nadda Sahab had to get out of the meeting because there
You
are not
please
even 100
indulge
people
in
present. So you
self-introspection.
should know you are talking
That's the
about
whole
yesterday.
problem. You please indulge in self-introspection.
Yesterday.
Please put your things straight, otherwise
But
you'll
I
be
will
in
tell
trouble.
you,
And let
you are going to
let
get
me
more
just
seats.
give a statement.
You had 3 seats. This time you might even get 20 seats. You had 3 seats. This
Let
time you
me-
might get 20
let me
seats after 294.
place
I am
before
telling you,
you-
you will go.
let-
You are going to make some incremental progress. You are going to make some incremental progress. Your situation is not going to be as bad as it was in
Let me
Punjab.
tell you-
I will tell you. I
let me
will
put
concede
forth
that BJP is going
statement
to
of
make
Lord
some gains
Acton.
here in
Please
Bengal.
allow me.
Not like in Punjab, where you have been wiped out as a political party. Entire Punjab.
See, your
rejected
problem
you,
is
madam.
you are full of
Right?
sound and fury,
you come from a
signifying
state where
nothing.
BJP has again been
Listen to me.
rejected.
Listen to me.
Biju
You just
Janata
cannot
Dal has
keep
promised
ranting.
you.
You just cannot keep ranting.
So therefore you
Cannot
should-
keep ranting like this.
Don't worry.
You have
don't visit
the
Punjab.
patience
You are welcome
and
here
the
in Bengal. We are
humility
going
to
to fight
listen.
you out here. No problem.
To
Okay,
listen
can
to
I
people
please,
like us.
if you don't mind,
come here, you
if you don't
perhaps might
mind,
make some
if you don't
incremental
mind,
gain
Miss
here.
Aparajita
There is no problem.
Sarangi and Mr. Mishra, if you don't mind, I'm still the anchor on the show, so I'd like to sort of make a point. This is the problem if a former bureaucrat,
Okay.
who
All
knows
right.
exactly what's
You do
happening,
make
who
your
knows the
point.
procedure, and then you have a professor on the debate. That's the problem. You just go on and on because both of you know your facts. I'm not contesting the fact that both of you know your facts, but you also know the fact, Mr. Mishra, that you also know your facts that there are several, if not many, leaders in the Trinamool who are under the scanner for several scams. I'm not getting into the details because we don't have enough time, but I have a counter question to Ms. Aparajita Sarangi as well. I have a counter. Let her take this question and you can respond to it. I was looking at the notice, Ms. Sarangi, and is it normal, as I'm asking you as a former bureaucrat, is it normal when you look at the notice that was issued this morning, is it normal that you issue a notice on the 21st, that is today, and ask for someone to appear also today at such short notice in a case like this? Is that normal in your experience as a bureaucrat? Is that normal?
Yes, it is normal. See, there are exigencies when these things are done. There must be some reason why CBI has done this. The notice is with me. I'm reading the notice. I've read the notice and this is perfectly fine. These things happen at times when we want that there should be absolutely no time lag between the issuance of notice and the appearance of the person. So I think there must be some reason and we should respect the authority of the CBI. So I think there is absolutely nothing wrong in that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Mishra can respond.
Can I come in? Well, actually, I would not like to comment any further except to say that the notice is dated today and it has been delivered at 2 o'clock. And then, the meeting time at her residence is at 3 o'clock. And if this is very regular, then I would think that all my education, all my understanding is on the wrong. And Ms. Sarangi is right, but then that is ridiculous.
Sir, but you didn't answer my question about the different scams. Different scams. You can't deny the fact that your party has.
Well, I will tell you, all of them are in BJP. All of them are BJP. We want the CBI to act. We want the CBI to act against Subhendu Adhikari, against Mukul Rai, against Shobhan Chattopadhyay. Let them come. Why the CBI is not proceeding? Why the ED is not proceeding? How come that 6.5 years of Modi government regime, we have seen such incompetence of the CBI? What has happened to the Sharoda? What has happened to the Rose Valley scam? And why the CBI is not moving? Why they are not arresting? Why they are not proceeding? How come that Subhendu Adhikari is out? How come the Mukul Rai is out? And how come that they have now become BJP leader and the CBI is just keeping mum? It has become mum. It is not moving. It is not proceeding. It doesn't have the guts. It doesn't have the courage. Let CBI come. Let ED come. Let them go after the BJP leader. These people is scamster that you are talking about. They are part of the BJP. Let the BJP answer. Let Mr. Modi answer. Let Mr. Amit Shah answer. And let Ms. Sarangi answer.
This is very strange. See, we saw his reaction. This is absolutely ridiculous, I would say. These people who have come to BJP, once they were their friends, TMC's friends, and right now he's asking us to actually go against them. Our question is simple.
Yeah,
our statement is simple. Law will take its course. If your people, Abhishek Banerjee ji and others,
so this is
absolutely right. Are absolutely right. There is nothing to worry. Why are you getting irritated? There is nothing to worry.
Chatterjee.
But we are aware of the fact that there are cow smuggling,
we are
scams going on, mining scams going on.
Worried. All these people
very
are
much
with you.
worried.
All these
very
people
much
are with
worried.
You.
And this is writ large on your face.
These people are with you.
This
let
is
Mr.
surprising. Why are you worrying if nothing has happened?
Let the BJP
Let's
answer.
see what
Let
happens.
Yadurappa answer.
CBI is doing its job.
Let you answer for Reddy brothers.
This
let you
particular
answer
case
for
has
Nirav
been going on
Modi.
for quite some time.
Answer for all the scammers who have left the country. So that is how it is. So you answer for it. Why the CBI is so slow? Why the CBI is so incompetent? Why it is so tardy? How come 6.5 years and Saroda scam has not been fully investigated? How come charge sheets have not been filed? Let the CBI answer. Let the Home Ministry answer. Let the Ministry of Personnel answer. Let the Prime Minister's office answer. That why CBI under the BJP dispensation is so weak, is so timid, is not proceeding, is not in a position to deliver any fruit. So let the CBI answer and the political masters should answer. We are not afraid, madam. You come up with someone. We knew
No, I'm happy
what
that
is
you
going
are not
to come
afraid.
on.
You should
And
not
this
be
is what you
afraid.
have done. You did with
But
Kejriwal.
your
You did with
irritation belies what you are
Kamal
saying.
Nath.
You don't have to
did
get
with
irritated.
Ashok Gehlot. You did
Let
with Kumar
the
Swamy.
Criminal Bureau of
right?
Investigation
So you
do
have
its job.
gone
Why are you worried?
against Kumar
There is nothing
Swamy
to worry about.
on the eve of election.
Abhishek
You have
Banerjee
gone
has
against
not done
Ashok
anything
Gehlot.
wrong. You need
You
not
have
worry
gone
about
against
it.
Kamal
Don't get
Nath.
irritated.
You have gone against the
CBI is
popular
just
chief
doing its
ministers.
job.
Don't worry. Being
In
a
fact, cooperate with
parliamentarian,
the authority.
being a
That's it.
parliamentarian, you should be very grounded. You should actually ask. You should actually ask your government that why they are not investigating Sharoda,
See, there is
why
a
they are not
statement
investigating
by
Rose Valley,
Lord
why actions
Acton.
are not being taken.
Power tends to corrupt man, and absolute power corrupts
You ask
absolutely.
Mr. Amit Shah.
The problem
and
is
you-
power
you
has
should
gone
be-
into
you
the
should be
head of
briefed,
people like
and you should be
Abhishek
briefed why Amit
Banerjee and
Shah has been
others.
summoned. Why Amit Shah has been
Unfortunately-
summoned? By the way, do you know that?
Unfortunately,
Mr. Amit Shah is summoned tomorrow.
power
Amit
has
Shah is
gone into
summoned
the
tomorrow
heads
in
of
Kolkata
people like
court.
Abhishek
He is
Banerjee.
summoned tomorrow in Kolkata court.
So, you just
Therefore, you
can't
should
go
be,
against the law. Whatever
investigate.
the rules, regulations, the law, we all
you
are
ask
bound by
you
law,
ask the
rules and
BJP government,
regulations.
your
You
government.
can't just be
You should
indulging
ask,
in
doesn't
scams.
matter.
You can't just be actually going for corruption so much.
Let Saroda scam be
There is
pro.
violence, there is corruption in your
Okay.
What are you talking
And that
about?
people are
Mr. Mishra and Aparajita, if I can interrupt you
Anirban
for a
Sai-
second, please, because
Yeah.
there are two other gentlemen who've been patiently listening to this
Yeah, please.
slugfest and also want to sort of debate it for the last 5 minutes, perhaps. I want to bring in Anirban and Binay. Anirban, now he mentioned, Mr. Mishra mentioned that that the BJP must also look at Sarada, Narada, and other leaders, including senior leaders like Suvendu Adhikari and Mukul Roy who entered the party. But please tell me, if I'm not wrong, the charges against them and the story is out there since 2015, 2016 for many years. Why did the TMC shield them all these years? Why did the TMC shield them all these years? And why are they questioning them now?
No, it's not about whether any party shielded someone or not. It's a question about the efficacy of the CBI. I'll just ask a simple question. In the last 7 years, tell me a name, an example of a single case where the CBI has actually successfully proved its case in the court of law. The answer is zero. They have been able to prove nothing. They have been used as a puppet. They have been used as a caged parrot by the BJP government, and the only thing they have been used for is political vendetta. Their track record proved their inefficacy, and the BJP has completely destroyed any capability that the CBI ever had. They have destroyed each and every democratic institution in this country. They want to take over this country through the elections, but after that, what they're doing to this country's system is so devastating that it will take a long time to recover from it. Therefore, it is not about whether TMC was guarding them or not. The question is about the propriety of the CBI, once a premier investigative agency of the country,
Binay
and
Singh.
now a laughing stock for the common man.
Anirban, I think Anirban is over. Anirban,
Yes, Mr. Go ahead.
you know what is misusing the government machinery, Anirban? On 25th March 2019, Customs recovered gold from Ruzira Banerjee. The Kolkata police breached all the security protocols at the Kolkata airport and intervened. And you know what is the
was
real
the
misuse of
customs
government
doing, sir?
machinery? A
No,
case
you are
was
saying
filed
that
against the custom
According
officer.
to you, the customs failed. According
I
to
am
you, the
not going to
BJP government
intervene.
failed. No, sir. You are giving an example where the customs actually
Anirban,
failed. That
when
is
you
your
are over,
question.
I will speak. I am
This
not
is
going to intervene
precisely
like
what
that.
I was saying. Under the BJP
Anirban, I am not
government,
going to
the
shout
CBI
at you,
has
man.
failed, the
You
ED
just
has
finish
failed,
your
the
you
customs
finish
has
your
failed,
speech.
The BSF has
You
failed.
finish your speech, then I am
Each and
going to
every
talk.
system under the government has failed.
Yeah,
the
yeah, please
government.
carry on.
That is the very point, sir. Each and every agency has been used
You-
only for
You
political
people don't
vendetta
let
story.
anyone speak.
Not a single fugitive person, financial fugitive or something, has ever been brought under the law.
Last 1
has
minute on the
ever
debate.
been
Binay Singh,
prosecuted under the
Binay Singh, you're
law.
not going to get a chance if you don't respond now. Last 1 minute on the debate.
He has nothing to respond actually.
Niranjan,
The
I am
track
not.
record of each and every agency
not going to be
proves
linked by
itself.
Niranjan by
Not a single
Anirban.
case.
I am not going to shout at him. I have never
Anirban, let him
intervened
speak.
in the time he
Anirban,
was
let him
speaking.
speak.
This
Anirban,
is
let him
not a
speak.
way.
We
This is
don't-
not a way,
Anirban, let him
Niranjan.
speak.
don't believe
No,
in
it is not
lynching.
done.
No, Anirban,
Because
let him
this is
speak.
not a way.
BJP's forte.
I have never
You lynch
intervened.
people.
Okay,
So
Anirban, let
why
him
is
speak.
he intervening
Come on.
in my
believe-
Come on, let him
space?
speak. Let him speak. Give him his turn. He heard you out.
I am not going to reply to you, Anirban.
You have nothing to reply to, sir. You have nothing to reply
Is it
to.
over, Anirban?
Anirban, let him respond, no? Let him
No,
respond.
no,
Okay, sir,
if
come on,
something
come on,
is
go
left,
ahead.
You continue.
Please
Binay, go ahead.
I'm not going to talk to you anyone. Niranjan, the custom officials were fire was filed against the custom officials. And you know who's Ruzira Banerjee? She's wife of Abhishek Banerjee. Abhishek Banerjee is nephew of Mamta Banerjee. You don't need any investigation, Anirban, to know about the coal mafia and the cattle mafia. They were a
You
point of
need
discussion
to
in each
put- you need to
every
drag
nook
in
and
the
corner of the
family
power
members of
circles
the
in
political
ruling
opposition.
dispensation. The
That
coal
is how
and cattle
you used
mafia
to.
was in fact
You need to
deal,
pull in-
the coal
you need
and
to
cattle
drag in
mafia
the
in fact
family
they were
members.
darling of the
You
senior
people have
political
no
leaders
ethics.
of the
You
TMC
people
and the
have
senior
no
police
civility.
officials.
You don't even
They were
let
known
the
to
family
everyone.
members of your
Lala, who
political
was the
opposition
coal
know.
mafia, was known to everyone.
That is your
The
problem.
cattle mafia was
You
known to
have no
everyone.
ethics at all.
Everyone
This is
knows
why
Binay
we
Mishra,
call him
a
Pasek.
tuition master,
This is
how he
why we
turned
call him
billionaire
Pasek.
overnight.
You fight with
Mr.
your political
Anirban,
opposition. Why are you
what
dragging in
is
their
the
family?
formula of getting
Why are
tuition?
you
A
dragging
tuition
in their
master,
family?
Binay Misra, he turned into a billionaire.
You have no
What is the
political
formula
courage
of
to
that?
fight your opposition.
You just, it is
If
a
you want
TMC
to
formula.
politically fight Mr.
It is
Banerjee,
a, you are talking
Why
about
are you
courage,
dragging his wife
man. You
into this
talk to
battle?
Binay Misra.
Why
How
are
he
you
become
dragging his wife
billionaire?
into
He
this
was a bloody
battle?
tuition master.
This is how low
He
you
was a
stoop,
simple tuition
and this is
master.
why we say
He
you
was a
are
simple tuition
nothing
master
but
and he
puppets.
earned thousands of crores.
This is the vital
The
characteristic
coal
of being a
mafia,
puppet.
who
Okay.
is the seventh pass
Have to
guy.
end the debate at this point.
He's worth 20,000
Anirban and Binay will
crores
have to
today.
end it at this point. I have to completely run out of time. Completely run out of time, but I think
Yell at somebody who is making
completely run out of
fake
time. But I think it's been a fantastic debate. Aparajita Sarangi and Mr. Om Prakash Mishra. I think there's a lot to be debated still because the dates of the elections haven't even been announced yet. So it's going to be one hot political season coming up, and really looking forward. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.